Hey, it's Jay. It's Tuesday, February 18th, 2004, about 1:15, and it warmed up to, I think it's going to be 60 today, so I decided it would be time to winterize the Toro 421, snowblower. So I've changed the oil in it and adjusted this tensioner bar, which engages the auger, and it was loose, and I actually had a empty dish soap bottle pulling out the tension over the winter, but now I've properly adjusted it to where now it will engage with a pull. You can feel the tension kick in. So I'm going to start it up and let it run, and then I'll be done. Key on. I just wanted to add real quick that when I first got this Toro about 4 or 5 years ago, as you can see, it's got electric start that does work. The carb was so bad on it out of adjustment that I had to keep an extension cord hooked up to it or by me, because you wouldn't be able to pull start it. And now I have it adjusted out, and I have had for a year or two now, where it will pull after 1 or 2 starts, which I still need to go through the carb, because here's the choke. And you can see there's fast and choke. Well, anyway, it still seems off to me a little bit, but I'll start it up and let it run. Oh, I should have it off the off position down at the bottom. But, like I said, one pull, one start. So there it is. Hope you enjoyed my trusty Toro 421.